Oh, I gotta see if I can double up off that tree right there. Buddy, why didn't we launch our boats right here?
I really should have.
Bet you I could have got mine in. We just doubled up off that tree.
Good. Same spot.
He caught 2 fish off that same spot. Off that tree. So, yeah, I know, right? What a dickhead.
I think we figured out why you break one.
Hold on, give me a second.
That says hook all over, doesn't it?
Oh.
It says fingers.
Dude.
I got it. Hooked them all over. Almost hooked myself. Second largie of the day on Topwater.
Buddy, you're right. Oh, that's a good one. First cast. First cast. I didn't even hardly. I threw it in, moved it 2 times, and just let it sit there.
Hey,
His tail's a little messed up, guys. See that?
a little bit.
Looks like it's broke. It might be broke. Nice fish, 2.5 pounder.
Oh yeah,
Let's
it's
rock.
crooked.
Yeah. See that up?
What?
Look at his tail.
Oh, yeah.
First cast with the new frog. We just tied one. 2.5 pounder. Can't complain. There he goes.
It's a pretty big one. It's not that big. It's not as big as I thought it was.
This thing is all wrapped up.
What are you doing, bud?
Underneath everything.
I didn't make it off. He killed it. You heard that? Yeah, he murdered that. That was a pop. Nah, 2 pounder. I mean, definitely not a bad one, buddy.
Hey.
Some dark fish out here. Killed us. Think you missed 10 yet?
Huh?
Think you missed 10 of them yet?
Oh, absolutely.
It's just crazy how much. Hey. Did you see that? He didn't even know.
No, I heard it.
Oh, it's fine.
Pike.
It's crazy how much aggression they hit with. Hey Chuck, you want pike?
No, I'm good.
You don't want to put that in your dad's boat. Crazy bastard.
I saw you going.
Hey, you can see the leg pads like moving. This one down. There's all 3 of our baits.
We've thrown all 3 different. I'm targeting the same thing, but different. You wouldn't catch the fish, I would catch it. Yeah, he's not catching the fish out.
Oh, shit, I'll clean that up.
We get straight up in the pad.
You get that one, holy.
Oh.
Cleaning them up.
I missed one. He slipped in there and set the hook and pulled it out. Hey, what your bandito hook?
I got my bandito hook. No.
I didn't have it. Dump that weeds out. No.
211.
Give me a second. You're good.
I had no idea how big he was when I set that hook.
214.
He's almost there. 2 pounds, 14 ounces. He came up and hit Sean's frog. I flipped the bandito bug in there, and he hit it right away. You had that one up for a little.
That felt pretty big.
Did it?
Because I actually had my fish hooked. He's just on right now.
I am. I was really hoping that was gonna be your big one.
That one was pretty big. It hit my thing. I had it hooked that time.
Watch your rod. Try not to move the boat.
Oh god.
I'd probably hurt if it hit you.
No shit. No shit, that would hurt. It hurt if it did, yeah. No shit.
The blades are moving a little fast.
5 pounds. My reel just locks up when I turn it. Reel? Yeah. You ever have that happen? Got another. So I'll. That's fine. That's good. It's just got a lot of weeds. It's small. He's actually getting way more bites than I'm fucking.
It felt heavy. Felt big.
What? Yeah. He's flipping. Yeah.
That one, guys, I'm not gonna lie, he felt huge. He came in with like 3 pounds of grass. He's pretty chunky though.
We should have just actually tripled up. I just got obliterated.
Me too. But mine hit it, came to me, so I thought it missed it.
I got the hook in mine, didn't see it in a minute. What was that?
I was pulling the grass off right there.
I thought you said, did you?
No, I didn't freak out. Did I, Keeper? That was stupid. Well, there's 3 bass there.
Maybe we should have fished down this side.
Turn back around.
Throw back up that way.
That was stupid. I can't believe that just happened, can you? I saw Sean, I saw mine, and then I saw Evan splashing, and I'm like, what the hell is happening?
You actually should have Evan book again.
Oh, mine? I had it hooked, and it jumped out here.
Mine might be on video. Sean's a little blue.
I see that coming like through the water. I seen it coming like from across the water.
The last one you said that about too was a pike. Remember that? You got it? That was a big hook set.
Hey, we doubled up.
Doubled.
Mine. Mine's got scars on it.
Look at mine. Mine's green.
Fish touch.
What?
Evan, I gotta make a short of this shit.
One pike. I'm trying to triple up with you guys.
I'll get rid of that yet. Evan, film this.
Alright, you got your pike? Hold it. Oh. Alright, we got a double up here, we got a pike.
Got me a little largy.
We got a largy there. Sweet. You got me. Some dog. What about you, keeper?
Stop him, 12.
Hi. Hi, Sugar.
And Thompson unbeat my last year, yeah, I can see it.
One eight there. How big is he? 2.5 pounds.
I thought he was 3.
2.5 pounder? Yeah. Put me in the back, huh?
I just was trying to keep him
Oh my god. He's gonna go back in the water. This fish kicked my ass. Dude, this fish is gonna kick my ass.
I wish there was a fish on that top, guys.
What do you give me, keeper?
Got a big head on it.
Grab scale first. For the guy. Right there.
It's 2.
Yeah, probably.
2.5.
Yeah.
Real one. Actually, I want to get back under that dog. 2.5. He's got a blade tail. Go.
That's a big one, isn't it?
No,
Really?
it's not big. That thing nailed it though.
It was literally a poop. Like, simultaneously it did that.
That's gonna be a cool video. I called my
We
shot.
should actually watch, like, when we're watching the YouTube thing tonight, actually, like, look at these clips from today. There could be some pretty cool clips.
That one nailed it. Look how the bigger this one is. It doesn't get any better than this, guys. Didn't think I was gonna be on the St. Lawrence River today, throwing frogs, and it's unbelievable.
Like, 2 back to back.
The one was I'm trying to catch him with one leg right now. I'm just trying to spawn him. I'm not actually. Look up. Oh, it's not actually good. On.
That?
Coming up. Hit that. Oh, I was gonna flip him into you. I was gonna say catch. Take it.
What do you think of that? Pretty tying and still got the net for you, keeper.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty good friend I am,
Show
huh?
the camera.
Tripled up there. None of us landed a fish. Tripled up there. None of us had that. None of us landed that.
We suck. I have mine hooked. Mine came out of the water. I didn't even have him hooked.
Do you even know you had one?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was pulling up out of the water and he hit it.
Oh my god. Clip that. I want to see how close that was to her face.
Stole my pencil.
Yo, he's...
Up in here. Oh, off garment.
Kind of teach him how to flush. Break her on.
You getting better?
You ever notice how he flips one straight up? You know, like bring it to here and then go like that. Look it straight to him. Stop swinging.
That feel good, Keith?
Yeah.
What was more satisfying, that or flipping bite?
Big build. That's what you gotta do if you want to pawn. You just relocate a fever trick around you guys town.
That old fucking crushed it.
That thing real. Look, that thing won't real. That's how keeper flips it in.
Crack.
Yeah, that's how you usually break.
It was never coming off.
That rock wall.
Hey, we got her too.
Definitely on stage still. It's you need it, bud. It's not fun.